Liz Nead here. I'm a speaker, I'm a coach, but I'm also a lover of good food because I believe in order to live an inspired life, you have to feed your soul. I'm always looking for ways to fit more vegetables into my life. I decided to make a panini with a little bit of a twist. It has a cauliflower crust embedded in it, and it has some teriyaki chicken and vegetables and some spinach thrown in for good measure. Every bite that I take of this thing is full of nutrition. I have to tell you, it is pretty easy because the ingredients are easily accessible, and there's nothing that I really ask you to do that requires some kind of chef's training. But it's hard in the sense that in order to eat good food, you have to be ready to prepare the food. There's no way around it. But I will say this, that it's not expensive, that once you're done with it, it's something that can last for a while, and the most important thing is that in addition to being good for you, it tastes amazing.
We start with the cauliflower bread. Cut the cauliflower up and rice it and microwave for 3 to 5 minutes until soft. Add the other ingredients, stir it up well, and spread on a cookie sheet, baking for 15 minutes. While it's baking, prepare the chicken veggie filling. Cut up the chicken and veggies into small pieces and sauté for about 5 minutes. Add teriyaki sauce and cook for a minute more. Now it's time to assemble our panini. Dip in olive oil and butter the outside. Stuff your sandwich with goodies and grill for 3 minutes until toasted and cheese is melted. You can also skip the Hawaiian bread and use the cauliflower bread instead.
Here we go. Doesn't this panini, this teriyaki veggie panini look amazing? And I promise you, it tastes so good. Nutritious and tasty in every bite. If you want to know more about this recipe and others, just go to dinnerattheranch.com and join me at the Nead Inspiration Ranch.